center. We are trying to cross the street to get some money. Will, you got your shirt? He walked up and down this entire market. We get a beautiful seat beside the pond where we can have the best view of the dance, and it turns out the dance doesn't happen until 7:30. It's just past 2:30 and we are driving our way up, all the way up to Mount Batur. Part of this has been so different but so beautiful. Like coming down is a lot harder.
We've been climbing all day for 5 hours. Now we're at the waterfalls. We're walking in the night market in Uluwatu. We're trying to find all of these eateries and places to get some food. Not only are we moving here, we're buying property here. Woo! And I'm naming my third kid Bintang.
Yes. Bintang Chen.
We're here at Uluwatu Beach. This is apparently my wife's dream to surf in Bali. So. This has to be my favorite dish in all of Bali so far. From J Estate's homemade peanut noodle soup.
What in the world did you order?
This is called the nasi tempeh.
Nasi.
It includes all that you see here. But I paid extra for these special hats for my rice.
So
they're lovely hats.